We're recording.
Um,
Okay, David, tell us about your science project.
the science project is called the Super Amazing Floating Milk Jug.
And
The question is, if you fill a milk jug with 9 cups of sand, will the jug float?
and what is floating all about?
Buoyancy.
And what did you find out about buoyancy?
That there's 3 types of buoyancy: positive, neutral, and negative.
What's the difference?
The difference is for positive, if it's less than 104 something, I forgot what it's called.
Well, what happens with positives? Does it go up or
It
down?
just goes up. And then neutral, it just stays in the middle, like fish. Because fish have neutral buoyancy. And then negative, it just goes down.
It sinks? Okay. So what was the experiment about? What were you trying to prove?
That 9 cups of sand will still float.
Okay. And then what materials did you use to make the experiment?
The materials I used were 1 gallon milkshake, 1 measuring cup, 1 2-gallon bucket of sand, 1 magic marker, and 1 bathtub filled with water.
Okay. And how did you do that? How did you do the experiment?
I did the experiment by first I just filled the bathtub with water. I had gotten the bucket, the 2-gallon bucket of sand, and then the milk jug. I got some cups, and then I just put the empty milk jug in the water, and then I took it out and put 1 cup of sand in there, and then kept on feeding.
And then every time you put sand in there, you measured and observed whether or not it sank or floated or whatever?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So then as you did your experiment, you measured it, and that's what that data is down there at the bottom? So is that what that is?
Keeps on repeating.
Okay, cool. And then, so what were the results?
The results were that observed the jug went farther down in the water every time we added any cup of sand. The jug still floated with 9 cups of sand. The results were the same in all 3 experiments.
So that was the conclusion, that you matched your hypothesis? That the experiment proved that your hypothesis was correct? Well, that's what it says right there. What does it say right there?
Where?
In the conclusion.
Our data did support our hypothesis that 9 cups of sand in a milk jug will float. Additionally, while our research calculations showed that 10 cups of sand should sink, we observed during the experiment that 10 cups of sand still floats.
Good
I
reading.
believe the difference is because of the air in the jug.
Okay. So how did this, what did you do? You took this board and you took it into school and put it in the science fair?
Yeah, in the cafeteria.
How many kids did the science fair in your class?
2. Me and Riley.
How many kids in the whole school did it?
I don't know.
A lot? I mean,
Probably sure.
okay.
Probably about 50 or so.
Wow, that's cool.
Or 60.
And when you put it up and set it up and all, when you came back after they did the judging, did the judges like it? Did they ask you questions?
Actually, only one judge asked me some questions, and after that, she liked it.
What questions did she ask?
She asked, like, if Mommy did it with me, but I told her that you did, Daddy, and that about that it was supposed to like sink at 10 cups of sand. And she asked about like this, and if it did sink, if it like sank or something at 10 cups of sand, and it didn't. And she after that was like it.
Okay. And then did they like it enough to, would they say good job, or they give you any kind of certificate or what?
They gave me this award.
Wow, cool.
And then a red sticker, and I think the red sticker means like third place or something.
Good, very good. All right. Good job, David. Say hi to Aunt Donna.